Hi there, this is Linda from Let's Talk Prepping, and I just happened to see this news article on the website humanevents.com. More than 100 drugs face supply chain shortages. And it's from December 6, 2021, which is today. And it says 100 pharmaceutical drugs are facing shortages, and they're antidepressants, antibiotics, heart medication, cancer-fighting drugs, painkillers. And it says the FDA is taking steps to monitor the supply chain, and 80% of pharmaceutical ingredients are located outside of the U.S., and 60% of pharmacies reporting having supply chain disruptions. And I got to thinking, suppose I were taking a certain drug, how would I find out if there was a shortage of that? And if so, how could then I start stocking up now, going to see my doctor? Well, lo and behold, I found two websites. This one is the FDA, U.S. Food and Drug Administration, and it's, let me go up here, it's accessdata.fda.gov. And it doesn't have a date. The other one has a date, but this is current and resolved drug shortages and discontinuations. And as you go down here, you get a list of what's currently in shortage. So you could search for the drug that you're taking and see if it's in shortage. And if we go to page 2, it's alphabetical here. You could search here. You could put the drug in here. And then if I go to this website, this is ASHP. And let me give you the whole URL, ashp.org. And that's it right there. And as you go down here, drug shortages list, current drug shortage bulletins, and this is today's date. And it gives you all the drugs that are short as of today. You could put in the generic name and search for it, and search for your drug. And if you find out that there's a shortage, you could then see what can you do to alleviate the shortage for you. Can you ask your doctor for maybe a 3-month supply instead of a 1-month supply? Can you order it online? Some health insurance allow you to order online and order more than just a 1-month supply and order 6 months or 3 months. You could check with your health insurance coverage. So I just thought that was interesting. I don't know if you knew about that or not, but here are two different places, ASHP and the FDA, drug shortages. And they're really probably going to be a lot more since so many of our drugs and the ingredients for the drugs are made overseas. And if we're not even counting the cargo ships not getting them here, just not being able to produce them overseas, and maybe if there's any kind of war or inflation or whatever, you might have trouble getting your drug. Okay, rather than type in the whole URL for you, all I did was put in fda.gov right here and went to their website. And then I hit search and I put in drug shortages, enter, and then the very first one that comes up is the drug shortages. And you can see the drug shortage database. And I go there. And there's my list of drug shortages. So that's pretty easy to do. So that's how you can do that. And then here I am at ashp.org, and I'm going to go over to the search and put in drug shortages. Current drug shortages comes right up, and you just click on that, and I'm going to go down here, select all shortages, discontinued drugs, etc. But I'm going to go for all, and here you go. I'm going to put in current shortages here, and that gives you the current shortages. they have. So that's it. That's an easy way to find what drugs are in short supply now. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching, comment, and like the video. Thank you very much for everything.